Hello, and welcome to this lovely outdoor break. So today's affirmation is inspired by, the fact that I'm in the middle of a hike, and along the hike, I ran into a fallen log that had a message in it, and the message is, if you sit long enough, you understand. And that had me thinking, as a person who's been meditating more to find clarity. Obviously that sit is not sit and do your regular work or be in front of the computer, but literally sitting mindfully being in introspection, and anything where you're doing that in stillness and doing that self-reflection. And I loved that. I had to stop and take a photo of it. So that is the theme of today's break. And as you can tell, there are some nature sounds around me and some sights that are helping me to be extra present. So wishing you all that same kind of peace that this is bringing me. Let's start with a few cleansing breaths, and just cannon breaths in which we breathe in through the nose and out through the mouth. In through the nose, out through the mouth. In through the nose, out through the mouth. All right. And if you're like me, when I sit super long, I sometimes forget to take care of the back, and a seated twist can help with this. In order to do that, we put the hands on the opposite knee. So I'm putting my right hand on the left knee, and I'm stretching as I inhale and twisting as I exhale, looking over the left shoulder so that you feel that stretch in the back. Hold it as long as you can. And left hand on the right knee. Inhale to lengthen the spine. Exhale to twist, look over the right shoulder. And one more on each side. Right hand on left knee. Inhale to lengthen. Exhale to twist. Look behind the left shoulder. And opposite side, left hand on right knee. Inhale to lengthen the spine. Exhale to twist. Okay. And I love the miracle bend because it, first of all, stretches out the back even more, but also because it bends out negative energy, any sort of anxiety, and replaces it with calm and confidence. So to start that, if you do this standing up, you can get even more movement happening. But if you're seated, like me, start with buckling the thumbs together. And as we are down, we start to inhale and the arms go up. And arch the back. Hold as long as you comfortably can before you exhale forward. Inhale up. Arch the back. Hold as long as you comfortably can and exhale forward. And one more, inhale up. Arch the back and exhale forward. All right. And for our next one, since we're doing all sorts of awesome things for our back, this is the Kundalini Yoga spinal twist, in which you put your hands on your shoulders, fingers in front and thumbs in back, and we inhale as we go to the left and we exhale as we go to the right. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. And if that's comfortable and you can speed it up, go faster. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. All right, and you can do that for however long serves you. For the meditation today, I am going to do the Kundalini Yoga meditation to act, not react. I realize I haven't done it in one of these videos in a while, but it is one that serves me, and I do it on a regular basis as a preventative measure for when those things inevitably come up that can kind of shake your world a little bit. So in order to do this, we have the fingers in Gyan Mudra, which is the index fingers and the thumbs touching. And we have the arms out at about like this. And we inhale with a whistle for 3 seconds and match that 3 seconds with a hold before you powerfully let go of anything that doesn't serve you with an exhale. So to do this, you can close your eyes and focus on the third eye point, and let's go a few times, inhaling anything we wish to encompass. Hold at the top, let it go. Hold on to it at the top and release anything that doesn't serve you. Okay, hope you can do that for however long works for you. And thank you so much for taking the time to take a break and to sit in stillness and just be with yourself and be present. Because as we take the time to be calm and present, we are able to radiate that to others around us. Thank you so much.